Last weekend, a Perth gun store was broken into and a number of pistols were stolen. The initial stories released stated more than 60 pistols plus ammunition was stolen. This was reported by the WA News, Perth Now and news.com.au, among others. However, just a few days after the event occurred and all this news had flooded the media, Barry and Son Firearms posted on their Facebook page saying, quote, "There was no ammunition stolen as reported by the media and other outlets." So the initial story as reported by the media was already in question, and now that it is a known fact that no ammunition was stolen, all of these stories are still freely available on the internet with false information in them. No retractions, no corrections, just let the false narrative run. Now jump forward a week and ABC News is updating the story stating more than 100 guns were stolen. And according to ABC, police state the number is now 130 stolen guns. And about the same time the ABC report came out, news.com.au reports that WA police are searching for more than 130 firearms. So within the week we have gone from more than 60 to more than 100 to 130 to more than 130. Where will it stop? Now the shop itself made no indication of the number other than saying several firearms had been stolen. The media should not be allowed to speculate and report anything other than fact. Reporting false and misleading information for the sake of getting a story out fast and first needs to end. Then we have some rather stupid remarks made by Detective Senior Sergeant Darren Hart in a press conference this afternoon. Quote, "You couldn't rule out that they would make their way back to organised criminals, if they aren't already. Or perhaps it is gang-related, who knows?" End quote. Who knows? So this entire little spiel is speculation on your side, and you admit you have no idea. For all you know, some weird sex ring stolen for butt plugs. Who knows, right? He then says, quote, "The guns are capable of firing straight out of the box, if you can find the ammunition for them." Well, no shit. What sort of crap would be sold that doesn't work right out of the box? If someone steals a new car, do you make a press conference stating they will be able to drive it right off the showroom floor if they just find some fuel for it? Your comment has only been made to scare people. So keep your speculation and scaremongering tactics away from the press and give them the facts. But I guess it wouldn't sound great to come out and just state, yeah, they got stolen and we got no idea. So I'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think the media should be held more accountable for reporting unreliable information just to get their stories out fast? And do you think comments like this are warranted from police when speaking to the media?